Our snow day. This is what it looks like. That and some sopón.
Exclusivo a los flamantes ganadores del concurso Conocí a tu estrella.